every dirty, small dirty I put. I throw here. So don't blame
Every
me.
time you need to witness, I can't take a camera, you see there's no talking. You everything you explain, excuse.
No, I am only explaining because I am doing good, sir. I'm not doing bad. That's why I'm explaining. Because I'm
Sobrang hirap talaga ng buhay OFW. Nararamdaman mo ba ang pasakit na dinadanas ng ating kababayan na ito?
to Madam 2 weeks later. I tell to Madam this one is not good. And Madam say, open the drainage. And then I say, I'm scared to open the drainage maybe because this one may be coming the leak, and then that's my problem. That's why before 1 year before I open this one, too many dirty. Maybe like that in
It's
the...
like that.
Yeah, I
You are
tell
very
to Madam.
lazy lady.
Sorry, sir, but I tell to Madam 2 weeks ago. I tell already that I clean this one, sir. 2 weeks, every 2 weeks I do this one. Put hot water. I put the liquid. I put the baking
You
soda.
always put the thing inside. You do anything's no use.
No, sir. We have the drainage here. I throw every dirty, small dirty I put. I throw here. So don't blame
Every
me.
time you need to witness, I can't take a camera, you see there's no talking. You everything you explain, excuse.
No, I am only explaining because I am doing good, sir. I'm not doing bad. That's why I'm explaining. Because I'm doing also how to move the water.
I also say if not like this, you are not coming. It's not like this. Why I angry to say to bring you? If no like this, why I bring you?
I don't know, sir, because that's not my problem.
Every time it's making angry. I give you salary, you laugh, you go.
No,
I give you the ticket to you, you go tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
You
no
say
problem.
you like this,
No,
you
sir.
behave like this.
No, sir, I'm just explaining my side. What I'm doing here in your...
You use your brain.
Yeah, I'm
You
doing
see
it.
this?
That's my fault, sir.
I'm not going to say your fault. I told you to be careful.
Yeah, I'm be careful, sir. Because the drainage, maybe the long time drainage not be cleaning in your house.
Long time you coming this long time.
No, I mean maybe this your drainage not cleaning before long time when I come. Maybe how many years this one drainage not finished? Maybe 10 years or I don't know. That's not my fault if your drainage not open, sir. So, sir, that is not my fault if your drainage not
Not your
working.
fault. Everything is not your fault. My fault. Okay?
That is
It's
not-
my fault.
No, sir, no.
You also it's my fault.
No,
You also
sir.
give the cat eat. Means it's no. You don't give the cat to eat.
No, sir, that is not my fault. I'm not telling you my fault or your fault. No, no one can fault this one. No one fault this one, sir. If somebody...
Everything is lazy. Everything you know, I know you. When I come down, you do it to driving, make a noise. When I'm not coming, I'm small here. You are no sound. Everything I see you is like that.
I'm doing my job in
You
your...
doing my job. It's very good job.
I'm doing my job in your home, sir. What you want, I'm doing.
I'm doing to explain. Please explain. Don't excuse. Don't say anything. Okay, I will be careful. I will be do my best.
Tell me...
Don't say you everything. I'm wrong. I'm right. You are wrong. I'm right. I will say you is wrong.
Sorry, sir, if I do something wrong in your house.
佢冇影我相。
Sorry, sir. If I'm doing bad in your house, but I know.
What is doing like this?
Yeah, because what you are doing to me, and then my friend know. If you kill me, my friend will know.
Your friend know what your friend doing. I'm not hit you.
No.
I say blame you. I take you take a photo. I take you to immigration.
Okay, sir, no problem.
Okay, you say like this. You take a photo. Don't agree me.
No.
I'm bring to the court. Why you take me?
Tapos nakakalungkot yung mga anak ng mga OFW na feeling rich, hindi nila alam na ganito kahirap maging OFW sa ibang bansa. Pero hindi ko naman nilalahat, no? That's the reality, and sana intindihin natin yung paghihirap ng mga OFW. Isa sa mga challenge ng OFW na nagtatrabaho sa amo na hindi English yung main language is language barrier. Kaya kung makikita mo, medyo hirap mag-explain kung ano yung gustong i-explain ng amo, and ganun din yung ating kababayang OFW. Pero parang nag-aalburuto yung amo dahil lang sa drainage. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali sa pagkaintindi ko sa usapan nilang dalawa. Kaya lang, mapapansin mo talaga at saka ramdam mo yung pasakit na dinadanas ngayon ng mga OFW na katulad ni ate. And ito lang pala ang problema ng amo niya.
Ito lang pala ang solusyon ng problema ni Kalbo.
Medyo mahaba yung video, kaya lang kinat ko na lang doon kasi parang paikot-ikot lang, no? And mukhang hindi napalayas si ate. And kung mapapansin nyo doon sa kanilang conversation or argumento, parang malapit na aalis si ate dahil nga sa argument na yan, no? Medyo nagkaroon ng emotionally na aggravated argument. Bilang isang future OFW, manifesting, kasi nag-a-apply din ako sa abroad, no? Para i-apply yung profession ko. Ito yung isa sa mga kinakatakutan ko. Discrimination, pang-aabuso, yung harassment, lalong-lalo na nandun ka sa foreign country, nag-work ka doon. And ang magiging challenge doon is yung resistance ng mga lokal doon, ng mga puti, Arabo, mga ganon, against sa mga foreign workers. So, hindi natin may iwasan na hindi natin talaga mapiplease ang lahat. Especially, nakita naman natin yung experience ni ate. Isang factor din na yung foreign na status ng isang worker na parang yun din ang basehan ng iba. Kaya natapak-tapakan yung kanilang pagkatao, yung kanilang image. Kaya nangyayari yung hindi may iwasan na mangyari, such as physical, verbal, emotional na abuse. And sana wag mangyari sa akin pagdating ng panahon. Pero ang advice ko lang is sa mga kababayang OFW na kapag nakakaranas na kayo ng signs ng ganito, syempre, medyo hindi na okay yung working environment, no? Kaya pwede naman siguro na maghanap na ng ibang employer, pumunta na kayo sa embassy nyo or sa agency para mabigyan na kayo ng kaukulang response or solution para ipunta kayo sa ibang employer. Kasi huwag nyo nang hayaan na mapunta kayo sa pang-aabuso. Kaya ang hirap na kapag nasa physical, emotional, verbal, yung mga ganun na abuso. Kasi pagdating nun, naku, mas mahihirapan ka. Sana nakarelate kayo dito sa video, especially sa ating mga kababayang OFW. Kaya laban lang, no? As long as kaya pa, o di ba? Pero kapag hindi na kaya, syempre humingi na ng tulong. So, sana may natutunan din kayo sa video na ito, especially sa sitwasyon ni ate. Okay? So, thank you very much sa panonood. Always think positive and stay safe.